Alright, awesome. I've got a bloody great idea for an app.
Oh? Okay.
Have you ever found yourself eating at a restaurant with your friends at nighttime? Well, I mean at daytime, nighttime, whatever, but at nighttime.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, have you ever found that sometimes when you finish eating, but then all of a sudden, you want to go to the bathroom, okay? And then you realize that the restaurant toilets are not really the cleanest. You'll be like sitting there, and then you'll be like, oh, something, and then you want to go, and then you can't go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess.
And then you realize once the toilet in the restaurant is not clean, and then you don't even have the ability to make it home in time, what do you do? Huh? What do you do, Mr. Awesome? What do you do? So then, when you are in all of this predicament, have you ever found yourself screaming in the car, going, just inherently screaming? You just can't hold it. You're just holding it. You're just holding on to nothing. At that point in time, you're reflecting about life. You're reflecting about your childhood. And then you don't want to be known as the adult who took it and did one for the team in his pants. Isn't that right?
What's this app called?
What's this app called? It's called Poo TPW. Like Airbnb, but for poo. You know what I mean? So poo, toilet, paper, water.
And how long is this app gonna take you to develop?
I've already developed this app, and I have listed your office as a 5-star shitter. So if anyone is in the area and they want to drop a dukes, guess what? They're going to be dropping their shit all over, not necessarily in the office, but someplace, in the vicinity. And I hope you don't mind, but this is the beta. So you know what happens when you do the beta version. We'll have to do an alpha, then we'll have to do an official launch. So get ready, because a lot of shit is flying in the air.
I don't know, I was just kind of throwing this sketch together. It was like a bit of a brain fart, literally, metaphorically, and actually. So if this sketch was what you were expecting, great. If not, hey, you know what? A little rusty, trying to get that get off that old dusty paper and start rid of the jotting down. I gotta get away from the crap stories. I agree, whatever. Guys, yes, you must be wondering, how the hell am I back in Dubai? Very quick thing is that I am wrapping up some last minute stuff over here, and then I'm going to be on a Jolly Ranch, and I actually am going to be hopefully back stateside very soon. But yes, I did have to wrap some stuff up over here. Again, guys, please make sure you do all of the due diligence of the following, of liking, subscribing, and yes, we do come out with videos every Tuesday. So stay tuned and get ready. Let's say you're in a foreign country, you don't know where you are. Wouldn't it be nice to know that there's a clean bathroom somewhere nearby? Again, if anyone of you out there who decides to rip and take this idea and develop it as an actual app, please know that I have the proprietary brainpower license over this. And if you do make this into something, give me my cut. All right, see you guys. Mwah.